This is Sauce Track. Here we try our best to ease your life by reviewing all the latest products. And today, we will take a closer look at the Notion app. This review will help you make an informed decision based on this tool's features, pricing, pros, and cons. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get a notification whenever we post a new video. Let's start with its features. The Notion has a feature like a to-do list that allows you to write down all your tasks in one place. Moreover, prioritizing your work will help you plan the order in which you will complete them and identify what needs your immediate attention and what you can postpone for later. Next, they have a customizable dashboard feature. Custom dashboards provide detailed analytics and statistics on your business operations. At the same time, its numerous features help improve key performance indicators (KPIs) and return on investment (ROI). The project management feature helps you get a better idea of how much time and money each project is going to cost. Continuous auditing of project management provides ample time to find solutions. It gathers quality control measures and recommends corrective actions and quality improvements. That is the reason project management is essential to carry out quality control activities in every business. Then, we have the documentation features with the centralized network to collect, store, upload, or share all your documents faster for everyone to access information. This process ensures that everyone in your organization, regardless of department or team, knows exactly where documents are, where they are in the review process, what needs to be added, and whether discourse actions are required. So, this was all about its features. You can visit their website and click on Try Notion for free. After clicking on the button, it will redirect you to this page where you can sign up with Google or manually fill in all the required details. Once you have filled in all these details, the next step you get is two options with My Team or For Myself. Suppose you select with My Team, then you will be asked to submit some details about your work and role. In the next step, you need to mention your organization or company name. After completing this process, you can see the Notion dashboard. Here you can invite teammates to work together, click on the setting and member, add your team members and share the invite link to let people join the meeting. Also, you can create a new page by clicking on the bottom left-hand corner to create a page. You will get a list of different page types such as table, board, list, timeline, calendar, and gallery. Then you need to choose the icon and give it a heading to make it easier to find later. Let's now have a look at its pricing. Notion offers 4 major plans. The first is Personal Plan, offers many features for the free plans such as unlimited pages and blocks, sync across unlimited devices, sharing projects and sprints with up to 7 guests, and real-time collaboration. The second Plus plan is designed for users who want to get more out of their notes tracking app. It costs $8/month for this plan. It includes all the free plan features plus unlimited file uploads, viewing or restoring a version of the past 30-day page history, and collaborating or inviting 100 guests. The third one is Business Plan, costs $15 per month with many features as the previous plans but is easier to manage. It has additional features like collaborative workspace, permission groups, and admin tools, inviting 250 guests. Last is Enterprise Plan, costs depending on your business needs. It includes everything in business, and user provisioning, SCIM, advanced security and controls, audit log, Customer Success Manager, Workspace Analytics, unlimited page history, custom guest limit. Well, the best part of Notion is its highly customizable feature, which integrates more than 500 platforms, endless Notion templates, linking documents to other documents, and many more features you will get in its free plan. Talking about its downside using Notion, you might get addicted to this interface. Also, its free plan allows only 5 guests. Overall, Notion is an adequate project management platform with exceptional service and features at an affordable price, and includes a free version that you may use if you have a small business. Okay, guys. So this was a quick review of Notion. a leading project management software, and now it's time for you to sign up for a free trial using the link mentioned in the description below and try these features by yourself. Don't forget to share your Notion experience in the comments section below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video.